Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to join your multimedia files, how to join your video or audio files into one file. I will show you how to do that. Before we start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you are never miss my next video. Open this software, easiest short movie editor. I will give you the software link in video description below. Please download it. Okay, now click the join button. Joiner button. Now click on joiner button, and here you can select your multimedia files. For example, I have 4 audio files. I want to join or make one file, so I will open these files, and it is very easy. Now start here. You can see here. Now click on start. Okay, you can join video files also. Okay, I hope you liked my video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon also. Thank you so much.